This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. To help you accurately position snaps, we suggest using the Easy Fit Snap Positioning Systems, available from Sailrite. The Easy Fit system will work with any cloth to surface snap application. They are used to position and fit fabric jobs for the placement of snap fasteners, like on this boat cover. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Easy Fit Snap Positioning System. The Easy Fit is sold in a kit in a waterproof box, or individual components can also be purchased from Sailrite, including the socket and the holding cap and even the releasing tool. These reusable components allow you to position the fabric right where you want it. A snap stud has already been secured to our hard surface. Now all we need to do is snap the Easy Fit pin socket over top of it using the Easy Fit release tool. After all the Easy Fit pin sockets are snapped onto the studs, then all you need to do is tension the fabric over top of each of the pins and push the pin through the fabric. If you don't like where it's positioned, you can reposition it because the hole of the pin is fairly small. When you're satisfied with its position, use one of the holding caps and press it over the pin. Then move on to your next snap position, tensioning the fabric as you would like it, and then push the pin through the fabric there, and then use a holding cap again to hold it in place. Typically, I like to install an Easy Fit socket and holding cap on all my snap studs. But if the project requires more than I have on hand, I like to use about 10 at a time, install my snaps, and then repeat. After the positions are all marked, use the Easy Fit release tool to unsnap the pin sockets from the studs. You can either use your hand or the tool to release the holding cap from your fabric application. Take care not to lose any of the components because they can be reused again and again and again. The pin does create a very small hole, and you may want to use a fabric marking pencil to mark the position of that hole for easier installation of the snap. Here we're using the press and snap tool and installing a snap button and a snap socket right over top of the position where the pin created the hole. If this were a large project calling for more snaps than I had Easy Fit components, I would install the snaps in my fabric and then snap those newly installed snaps to the studs and then use my Easy Fit components for the next batch of snaps. It's that easy. The Easy Fit Snap Positioning System is great for use on skirt banners, boat covers, bow covers, tonneau covers, enclosure curtains, biminis, dodgers, and more. And it's available at Sailrite. If you have questions, give us a call or email us. We're glad to help. I'm Eric Granton from all of us here at Sailrite. Thanks for watching.